Good morning, Tony, Trader's Nest. Good morning. Waffles. Morning, bitch. What's up? Morning, good morning. I already did get one trade today. This nice little move down. I happened to just get back from, this was right before I took the kids to the bus stop. Got a nice move into the bands. Smacked it on the way back up. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Band shit. Good morning. Good morning. Oh boy. How's everybody doing this morning? Do. Hit that like button on the way in. Always appreciate that.
That don't make no sense.
That don't make no sense. What's up, Donald? Morning. I was hoping we kept going down. I was ready to keep trading. I was actually very ready to hit the button right here if we went down through 200. But as you can see, it held above it both times. Wah. Good morning.
Gay.
What's up, Don? Lost Lucid 150 because of the gold drop. Gold's dropping. Yesterday it did. Man, look at that comeback. Oh wait, that wasn't yesterday. Oh yeah, it was. Yeah, this was in the afternoon. Damn, look at that. Didn't it drop throughout the... Yeah, I was going to say, didn't it drop throughout the day, too? And boom. But now... Oh, no, we're still down here. Yeah, I saw Bitcoin was down as well. Donovan, good morning. Hit profit 850 on Trader. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, man. Thank yous. Do, 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 do. New York Open going to be wild again? Feel like the last 2 days it hasn't been wild at all, sir. Oh. NQ will drop on New York very hardly. Damn, look at you making predictions. Sorry, I was reading up Scott Trieste trying to make a comeback, but he's going the Propfirm crypto route. Sad. Bitcoin drop, NQ will follow. Hey man, put your money where your mouth is. That's all I gotta say. I'm not saying you're wrong, but making bold claims there. Yet another boring morning. I was hoping getting the trades early that this was going to be a good morning and hopefully get some trades again. We got nothing news-wise until Friday, so Real Ymir, what's going on over there on Twitch? Thanks for the follow. Guys, we'll be doing a giveaway later too, by the way. What's up, man? How you doing this morning? Got into shorts at 6:45 with my strat sold because I got cold feet. Then tried longs at 7:04. Didn't go well. Oh, 7:04 over here. Oh, yeah, you were a little early. Yeah, and in the pre-market, I always make sure we're actually like touching the bands. I don't mess around with that early stuff. This is gonna sound too soon to say. All right, let's hear it. What's too soon to say? Let's hear it. 10 contracts on Beyond at $5. It's Beyond, aren't they like way higher than that? I haven't looked at Beyond Meat in forever. Weren't they at like 300 or something? Holy shit, they're at 650? They were up at 200. Holy crapola. That's crazy. They're down to $6. Damn, they were down to under $2? Holy crap. That's crazy. I don't know. I don't really trade stocks anymore. I mean, I look at them, but Paktoon, what's going on? Sneezy, good morning. I don't really pay attention to them, so I don't really know like what it's been doing. Here, let me take a look at what it's done in the. Oh, this thing is starting. No, this can't be right. It was at 53 cents. On the 16th, it was literally 63 cents, 53 cents. And now it's curling its way up. Yeah, it looks like it's taken off. That's crazy. And Jinko, what's up? Ymir, I stay away from the meme stocks. I'll just say that. And if you're going to mess with the meme stocks, only use money you're willing to lose. That's crazy. That's like actually crazy. I'm just letting my cash just is earning interest in Robinhood right now. While we're way up here, I ain't touching nothing with the stocks. Tesla's a meme stock, same with the NQ. That's funny. Yeah, I mean, coming from me, like if you're actually asking me for advice on if you should trade beyond, I would say no. I'd leave it alone. Apparently there's new Halloween sounds on Discord. Yeah. I don't think we're gonna get much until the open here. Pretty new to this stuff right now, but I had to risk it. I have nothing to lose. As long as it's money you're willing to be okay with losing. I'm not saying you're gonna lose. I'm just saying make sure you're okay with it possibly not doing what you want. I haven't heard any of them yet. What are you talking about, Don? I've traded stocks, commodities, options, and contracts, but futures is a whole nother thing. It's like if all prior meet and combined and then added leverage roids on top. Yeah, pretty kind of sort of, yeah. I've traded everything as well. I haven't really traded commodities too much, but futures are definitely pretty awesome. I have traded options and stocks. I came from stocks. I went to futures, started trading options while I was trading futures because I was trying to figure out which way I wanted to go. Loved futures, stayed futures, but I still have my Robinhood up to trade options, but haven't really been trading them lately because I feel like there's nothing to trade. Dice on Discord is rigged. That's funny. Ooh, excuse me. Mattio! What's up? Good morning. How are you? Buy leaps for Archer and thank me later. BlackRock up their stake in them, and I'm feeling pretty good. Yo, I thought the same thing about Oxy with Warren Buffett. That was not the case. Go take a look at Oxy. Where is Oxy right now? Oh, it's actually coming back. Come back a little. Thing got all the way down to 36. I was in up at like 50 something. Thankfully, I got out fine on it. Where's Robinhood at? That one I'm salty about. I sold that thing at like 26. Oh, it's at 130. Oh my God. What is wrong with the world right now? How are all these stocks just magically 3-4xing and everyone's just okay with it? If their value a year, 2 years ago, everyone thought everything was overpriced and now everything's 3-4x. Why? What is going on right now? Like I'm seriously, I'm so confused with the market as a whole. It's crazy. Everyone thought everything was overpriced 2 years ago when everything was 3 to 4 times less. And now everything is up 3 to 4x and everyone's just like, oh, it's okay, it's okay. Holy crap. Any advice to make this a full time though? Lots of practice. Lots of practice. But the inflation isn't even that bad. Because we're going to correct and collapse. That dude, that's crazy. I did not realize, like, I knew a lot of the big things were up that much, but I didn't realize like smaller stocks were up that much too. I sold Robinhood at like 23 when it was like way up, because I bought in that thing at like 10 or 12 or something like that. So I 2x'd my money on that. And you're telling me this thing's up at 130, 140? It was up to 150? Absolutely crazy. What did you say up here, Anjinka? If you want real honest and probably most solid advice to actually keep the money with slow growth, put around half and a fourth or a fourth of the profit and just put in a global fund. Well, that's all I do. That's crazy how much that's up. My buddy must be rich right now because that's all he does is play big stocks like that and hold them longer term. I haven't talked to him in a while. Sheesh. It's through here, Mattio. All you gotta do is be here on the stream. That's it. All my giveaways happen right here, live on stream. You just gotta be here when they happen. I sold 200 Palantir shares at 13, thinking it peaked. Shit, I remember trying to get in that thing when it was at 20. What's that at now? Don't tell me. 180? Are you kidding me? Guys, how we're not gonna absolutely, people that are buying into these stocks at these prices are gonna get humbled. They're gonna get so humbled. talking Big X? Look at Mister in February. I remember that one too. Isn't that the one that? Isn't that like one of the big dividend stocks that everyone talks about? Let's see, 293. I don't know where it was. Let's see. Oh my guys, this seriously. Go back and look at all these huge tickers in like mid 2023. Just 2 years ago, all these stocks were so like ridiculously less. And now everything is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7x. It's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. What are these apps you use to read anything? I'm on TradingView. This is Trade-O-Vate. And then I also use Quant Tower. And Project X is another one. Those are like the 3 main ones. I'm waiting for RGGI. Dude, if it hasn't skyrocketed already, I'm sorry to say it's probably not going to. You needed to be in 2023. Little pop here. RGGI isn't coming up for me. That is insane where some of these tickers are. What's that China company, Baba? So there's another one though. There's another one that's like Baba, but it's not Baba. I used to trade it. Baba's at 166. It was a cheaper one. Was it? I wonder if I could just check my history on this account and see it. Baba doesn't seem like it's up that much though. Yeah. Baba's actually not up. Probably just because it's a China stock. I mean, it is still up 2x. Jesus. What's the other one that's like Baba, but it's not? Let me just see if I can check my history. Because I used to be in it. It's like J something. Yeah, where is JD? That's it. I got out of JD when it was here. Oh, here I can see when I sold it. December 2024. Let's see where that thing's at. Oh, it's still down there. So it should 2020. Oh, so I actually got out when it was higher, 34. Yeah, that thing's just kind of going sideways. It's a China stock though, so not surprised. I thought you said it was rigged, Donald. Liar. That was done. Are you lying? And scroll. Oh, it was done.
Ha! Gay!
There was one with WI at the end. I just don't remember the full ticker name. The last 5 years, except biotech, have been throw money at me and I'll make you rich. I mean, it's pretty crazy.
That was legitness.
Dice is legit. Yep. No more dice in the Discord. It's gone. I got rid of it. No more gambling in the Discord. There's only one person using it, and he had an objective, and his objective is now complete. I left it there just for him to be nice. The man who took advantage of me and I let him. I feel like a girl in an abusive relationship. Oh man, still got 24 minutes until 9 o'clock until we can start marbles. Boo-doo, 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 boo-doo. I don't like these new Discord sounds. Time to do the poker era? Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Anyone else watch ticker HYPD? It's at a spicy level. I don't, dude, I need to stay away from these stocks. You guys are going to get me too interested. The girl that just keeps putting out. I mean, hey, you milked me for all it's worth. Good job for you. I think poker tournaments for accounts would be awesome. You would be able to play to keep it. Yeah, but I don't want to keep it. Agree with Wawa. Plus, I feel like it would take too long. I don't even know how I would run an actual tournament. It would have to be like the top 9 in a marbles race or something. I don't even know how I would run an actual tournament. I mean, it would be fun, but that site, it's only for one table. I don't think you can run actual tournaments. Yeah, but what's the fun in that? Imagine we use VOLA's TPT for the live fun. No, that's mine. I earned that. Oh man. Weekly we place 100? What do you mean? Become member, become gambler. Couldn't sleep last night. Had Veshy Lakes from yesterday's stream on my mind. Jesus. I got sweatpants on today, so can't help you. Definitely gonna get a huge spike in members here. I'm not worried about the members though. The members was just to keep the bots out of the giveaways. We could do a monthly winner for members and make it from multiple games throughout the month point system. This is too much work. It's too much work. Of course, Donald. You know I'm a man of my word. Do I need to kiss your forehead and pet your ass? I mean, no. Why am I so tired, dude? I went to bed so early last night, but my son asked to sleep with me, and it's the one that moves around nonstop throughout the night. So I feel like I was awake half the night. You know what? Let me look at my sleep tracker. I bet you it's bad. I don't even remember. Is it under health?
Gay!
He needs some milk.
Something like that. Where does it show your sleep? Is it under watch or is it under... It's not under health. The health one. Is it watch? Hmm. Which one? Which app shows you? Oh, it says sleep. How come that didn't come up? Track sleep. When I search sleep, though, it doesn't come up. Good morning, Coach Fred. What's the app on the iPhone that tracks your sleep? I just checked watch and health and I didn't see it. Is it under fitness? Fitness. It's an iPhone. Is it under fitness? No. Let's just work on it. I swear I'm looking everywhere in health and I don't see it. I know I've seen it before. I just gotta find it. It's in health? I swear I looked in there. I didn't see it. Oh, sleep. I'm such an idiot. I went right by it. Yeah, look at this. Look at how many times I was awake throughout the night because of him. I'll take a screenshot and I'll pull it up on the computer so you can see it better. Hold on. Yeah, look at that. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then like pretty much was awake like stupid early. Didn't want to be. Look at that. Look at all that up and down, man. Sucks. Yeah, I found it, Josh. Thank you. I like went to bed nice and early last night, and I was like, "Oh, I'm gonna get a good 9 hours," because I've been so tired lately. And then, I mean, I guess I still came close, but just the right here, he just kept waking me up, man. Usually you know what? Let me see if I can find. Well, normally I don't wake up this much. Is all I'm getting at. Usually it's like all down in here. Maybe there'll be like 1 or 2 every once in a while, but. That looks better than yours. I'm usually a pretty good sleeper. Like when I do sleep. I did not sleep well last night. Is messaging me. Might have to go change into some shorts. Or turn this fan on. Let me turn the fan on. Gotta plug my watch into it. Get the air circulating a little bit. Oh yeah, that's all I wanted to check. They released the trade day thing. I think Kelly mentioned she was pulling away from me. Oh, I went down to third by by $21. That's funny. Uncle Bugatti going large. Well, damn, I need to at least try to stay in third. Looks like Damn Good Trading made it up to the funded accounts as well. There's 4 of us now. Those two, I have a feeling, could blow, though. Apparently, Kyle from Damn Good Trading had a pretty big trade on gold already today. Damn. Gonna have to fight for top 3, apparently. It's crazy to me the people that post these like big PA Apex numbers, but then they're on PAs like 89, 99, 111, 116. Like, shit cracks me up. Let's like the stream, guys. I agree. Thank you, Mattio. Appreciate that. Yeah, we're getting ready to start marbles. I'm going to try to get a little closer to 9 today. There's no way Damn Good is keeping his account. Yeah, we'll see. 2 days in a row, I traded the open on the challenge account, and it just kept going. So I had to fight just to get the trade that I took out profitable. It's like I'm trying my best to hold on for a bigger win at the open, but it's just not giving it to me these last 2 days. So I've had to fight just to make what I did. And I made almost 300 the first day and then almost 400 the second day. Just ain't right. What's going on? Good morning. Donovan's getting excited for some marbles. I love marbles. It's so much fun. It really is. Notice how others had to steal it. Everybody trying to be like the OG. We all know who started marbles on YouTube. One day the stream will get bigger. One day. Who knows when, but one day. I swear when I eat McDonald's, my farts smell like their French fries for days. You like watching Damn Good Trader? He has good vibes. He does have good vibes. I talk to him a lot in our group chat, our fantasy football group chat. He does seem like a good guy. He's got that like stoner vibes, you know, the way he talks. And others are talking about stealing it. Tom on MFF? Who's Tom? But I wouldn't be surprised. As long as everybody knows who the OG is, right? That's all that matters. I just wish... I wish we could have some more people for like the normal races, because I feel like it'd be a lot more fun doing the normal races. I just don't market myself. They're all good at marketing themselves. Oh, Tom Sabo. It's not like they give credit to it's not like they give credit to who brought it here in the first place. Not that I'm looking for credit. I just like to know that I was first. Yeah. Methodical's a good guy too. I talk to him a lot on Discord. Well, not a lot, but we get to talking. And when we do talk, we talk a lot. We catch up. We're like in a long distance relationship where like when we finally get to see each other, we catch up all at once. Wonder if Damn Good Trader got his name from the Hodge twins. They say it's a damn good all the time. The Hodge twins, man, I haven't watched them in a long time. I used to watch them all the time back in my protein eating days. Yeah, I swear my YouTube channel, because it was all stock stuff, kind of screwed me with the algorithm when I came over to futures, because you would see people who would like have fresh channels, like people flock to their channels. But for some reason it just didn't happen with me. My channel never really took off like when I switched over to futures. So I always wondered why, but I'm assuming it had something to do with like a lot of my top videos were stock related videos, so it was like pushing to the wrong people. But it is what it is. Slow growth if that's what it takes. I just stay in my own lane. If the growth comes, it comes. If not, oh well. All right, let's go ahead and get it started. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 10 minutes. 10 minutes, get them marbles in. Oh boy. Dude. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Get them in, get them in. Volatility vault was going on. Geez, speaking of that guy I was talking about. Oh, are these earnings? I thought that's what happened after market close yesterday. I noticed some stuff happened. Looks like it was earnings. I even said that to David. What was it? Coca-Cola, GE, General Motors, net. I bet it was Netflix. Netflix had their earnings yesterday. Start getting the members in. All right. All right, you got 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Exclamation point marbles. Wick, what's going on? Looks like we're waiting until the open to get any kind of movement again. ChapsoFX, what's going on? Thanks for the subscription, man. Wicked, wicked, real good.
So now push it. Push it good. Push it real good.
Alrighty. Let's get some marbles rolling. Close it up. Get as many as we can in before the open, because the chart ain't giving us nothing to watch. Good luck. Right. Code VOLA overshooting per usual. What is this, Waffles? Put a fresh warning video in the off-topic chat for pancakes if you shoot some. Wow, we're not even gonna get one person on the final. Jeez. Gonna be that kind of day, huh? Yesterday we had somebody on the rails, or almost on the, or yeah, he was on the rails the first one. This one, we're not even getting somebody on the final part. Watch that video real quick, Waffles. Let me get over here. Kill pancake. The background too. That's funny. The pancakes in the background look like a burger though. Kind of funny. That's hilarious. What did you make that with, Waffles? Hey, good morning. Hey, did you buy that game? I thought I messaged you over the weekend seeing if you wanted to play with us. Maybe I didn't. I just gave you the boom for that other thing you had mentioned. I think I might make that chain in real life. That would be pretty funny. Want to see a crazy chart? Check out Beyond. It's beyond me. Yeah, I saw it this morning, actually. Gemini? Got it. I feel like I tried using Gemini before and it didn't really do anything. I think I like put in a prompt and it like didn't make anything. Is it just like just Gemini AI? Like link me the site in Discord. Like what you're using for that. Chart's actually trying to make a move here. I'm watching it. We're towards the upper bands. Getting kind of close to the open, but man, we can't even get into the final part. This is crazy. Wow. These two races so far have been horrible. Oh my, what is going on? This is crazy. Like, is it this chaton.ai? This Gemini AI, or is it gemini.google.com? Which one is it? What we really need is one that, oh, holy crap. Wait, the link. It's gemini.google.com. So create video, describe your video. All right, we're gonna see what this does. Neaty, you're a little late. Sorry. But you'll be here for the giveaway later. We'll be doing a giveaway after the open shenanigans. Are you kidding? Holy crap, we might actually make it to... Oh, if that laser would have hit you. No! Are you kidding me? Oh, I've never seen that happen before. What is going on? This is crazy. Be as descriptive as you can. I wasn't very descriptive. I guess we'll see what happens. I can't believe these. That's 3 races in a row. We didn't even make one marble to the end there. Did the AI video get done of the donut stealer? He said he gave up on it. I also have 3 paid versions, so not sure what yours will put out. Oh, that's true. Oh, mine's done. See what it. I'll show it to you in a sec. I mean, it did what I asked. Oh, I can only generate 2 more videos today. What is going on with... I've never seen this either. What? This track is eating us. Oh, we might actually get one. Yes. But it's... Oh. No, it's going to be too fast. Hey, at least we got one on the final part of the track. Just one, too. It's only going to be one. This is brutal. This is crazy. Like, what? I'll give you a sneak peek on Discord if you're on there. Okay, maybe 2. There we go. It's got to hit. It's got to hit. Oh, oh, ooh. Ooh. Oh, this might have a shot. No. Ugh. Yeah. All right. Wife needs my help. I'm going to start the next one and then I'll be right back. Hit the wrong button. What the heck? Whoa! Imagine! On trades, good morning. Imagine you win right now after rolling on top of it like that. Nope. All right, real quick. We'll do one more, but let me show this. Oh, I have it on 2. Hold on. It even makes noise too. Like, that's crazy. That's crazy. Anyone ever gotten over the bridge? Yeah, we've had people on the rails before. We've had people hit the pegs near the end. His little butter on his head, I know. That's so funny. I don't even know how I would, what I would want to generate. It's so funny. Uh, this map is not being very polite today. Might have time for one more. Travis Scott. Boom! Oh, wait, he's still on. Wow, we've never seen this before. Oh, those lasers are going nuts trying to get you. Oh! Oh! Oh, man, those lasers go crazy. You're going to be going too fast. All right, got time for one more. Track is eating everybody alive today. Oh, man. I have a few loose marbles. It's really enjoyable. It is fun. This track's pretty cool too. I didn't think it was going to take this long to get a possible winner, but here we are. Here we are. Any gold going for it first. Oh, got popped up in the air. Haven't seen that one before either. And off the edge. Track is being brutal. Again, what is that? I've never seen that happen before, and it's back to back, both off the sides. This is crazy. Imagine it did it 3 in a row. All right, at least we got one as long as you don't get balls in the face. Gotta come down. My Marvel always doing at the start, but then there's the RNG gap that just flips me off. It's crazy. Travis Scott's still in it. He was the last one last time. Clarity, I don't. Oh, it's gonna get one more bounce. Travis Scott just went flying. Clarity. Nope. Oh. Oh. All right. That's it for now. That is crazy. That was a very bad morning for marbles. All right. Look, I'm going to show you guys the challenge account live this morning. Do not take these trades. If I take a trade on the challenge account, it's because I'm taking riskier trades because I'm barely finding trades for the main accounts as it is. I didn't take any trades Monday or Tuesday on the main accounts because I couldn't find any. And the trades I took here at the open on the challenge account were risky. So keep that in mind. All right. I wouldn't take these trades if I am taking them. All right. Market open now. Let's see what happens. Damn. Damn. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Holy, what the heck? No, I don't want to blow the account. Need some help. I need a lot of help. Holy shit. What an open down that was. Not good. Gonna look to get out of this if it pops back up here. Hope for a re-entry. What a push down that was. Holy crap. Come on. Hoping to get lucky here with the push back up. This might just dive off a cliff. If it doesn't go up here, we're in trouble for sure. I might actually just get out and look to get back in. Fighting, they're trying. I don't see a world where this goes all the way back up, though. I will say that. Ugh. Gonna try the lows, I guess. And do we just flip-flop here, maybe? Sure feels like it wants to go lower. Oh, maybe not. Buyer sure ain't stepping in, I'll tell you that. Yeah, we might have to just take this off and look for a better entry. Ugh. It's not good. I should have flip-flopped. It might just blow. No, I really don't want to blow it. Damn it. God, look how far away we are now. Jesus. Might actually take a trade on my other account. Wow, I'm gonna blow the account. That sucks. I did get in on my other account, just looking for the other 80 bucks for my 400. Ugh, was almost there. We're so close to blowing the account here on this one. It sucks. All right, I'm at 400 on the other account. Made my little bit there on the funded. I'm gonna switch over, possibly get 400. Jesus, we're gonna blow on this account. What a straight down move. That's crazy. That's why you don't trade the open. I should have took it off like I said and tried to get back in. It's my own fault. What a crazy move. It's exactly why you don't trade the open. I think I blew the account. I don't know. I don't know if it got there or not. If it goes any lower, it's definitely gone. That's for sure. I don't know. It said it was at like 100 or something. It'd be a miracle if it didn't blow. But it still feels like it wants to go lower anyway, so it don't matter. I can't add to it, right? Because if I am still alive somehow... Oh shit, I forgot I'm in this trade too. Alright, just made 319 on the second account there. I hope it's still alive, because it might give us a chance here. That would suck if it literally hit us at the very bottom there. Let me see if it sent me a... No, it didn't send me an email. Not yet. But we're not out of the woods. This thing would have to make a crazy reversal just to get out alive. Weird, it's a miracle. I think it's a miracle when she does blow. That's funny. Trader's Nest, you were right. You were definitely right this time. Did you put your money where your mouth was? Done. Oh, this feels like it wants to go back the other way. Should I just reverse? Oh, I can't reverse now. Buy it back up. Buy it back up. Go. What a crazy move. I probably shouldn't have added as quick as I did either, but I was really just trying to get out. Like when I add that second one, I'm trying to get out one right away. And then when I add that third one, I'm definitely trying to get out at least one or two right away. And then it just kept going. Crazy. Still alive. Just barely. I mean, that had to have been... I'll have to go... Oh, you guys can't even see the actual P&L. Yeah, you can't. Oh, you can see the distance to auto liquidation, I guess. But I don't know how close that number... Oh, no. Yeah, I don't know what the number is on that. I still don't feel like we're going higher. Obviously, we're hoping it does. And we got to get back through 200 and all the way back up to 250. That would be pretty crazy. I almost just want to reverse. We're so far down. But that was such a big move. You got to hope that we're going to try to go higher. I just don't think we're going to get all the way back up to here. It's going to be one of them things where if it does come up, it'll come up to like 220, 225, probably. What a crazy move. We did make $700 total this morning though on the funded, so can't complain about that, I guess. It's like, do I start skimming some off just in case it does drop and give myself some room to possibly add back again? Because our stop is literally for the account is at the lows. If it would have went any lower, we were out. I'm pretty sure I saw we only had like $100 left at the bottom there. Be straight luck that we're still in this. This somehow comes back, that'd be crazy. Only if I would have waited till it actually hit the bands, huh? Would have been I would have got a decent first trade and then we would have got back in and it would have been good. But now we're sitting here just hoping we could save the account. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. I kind of want to take one off here, just at a loss. I'm going to. Then you know what? I'll drag one up just a bit. Get one off break even, and then see if we can't maybe make a little. I'm going to be sad if it just goes right there and it would have gave me all three, but it's not. See? Damn it. Come on. Drag this one up just a little bit. So we can hopefully get back into profit here. Come on. Go, go, go. Wow, what a recovery so far. Still got to keep going to get out of this alive. I was half tempted to take another one off just to reduce size. I want to give it a sec here. The buyers are strong at the moment. This does feel like it could just dump again though. I'll get up there. That's struggling. Doesn't want to come get me. A little bit extra. Come on, come on, come on. Hit it. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. 240.50. I'm at 240.75. Literally one tick. I did get saved by one tick earlier though, so I don't think I can complain. All right, I think if we get this fill, we'll be at break even. Or close to it. Come on. I'll take break even. You have no idea. No. Don't you dare. Come on. Come on. No. 246.75. I'm at 2. So this one was 4 ticks. Come on. Come on. Don't do it. No. Oh, that's brutal. Come on. No. No. 4 ticks from being out of the trade. Does it dump all the way back down? Do you think it does? Because I kind of want to add back now. Does this really go all the way back down? Oh my. I'm counting on this bouncing right back up. Being very aggressive here. Come on. Oh, I saw green for a second there. I see green. It keeps flashing on my screen. I see it down the bottom. There we go. Come on. Let's give me the top of those candles again. Yeah, let's go. Oh, what a ride. What a ride. Holy crap. Up $185.96. I will take it. Oh, you keep trying to move the screen? Sorry. So I have this on the right side of my big screen. So I have it all the way over here just so I can see it. Sorry. Oh, what a ride. Holy crap. From almost blowing the account. No, I'm only up 185. I was literally like $100 from blowing the account. I looked down and saw the distance to drawdown. It said like 100 and something. Oh yeah, that was definitely gambling. That's crazy. Here, I'll show you the other trades that I took, which were a lot better. So this one I grabbed here, made $319. Pretty much top tick the exit there. And then on the main account, I took just a quick little guy here just to get to 400 bucks. This is why, dude, it's so funny. The first day I show you the actual trade on the challenge account is the day that it should have blown. I should have blown the account there. I got very, very lucky. Very lucky. It was literally within like 100 bucks. I saw it say 100 and something. That's how close it was. If that goes down an extra like 2 or 3 ticks, I'm out. It's pure luck. And I'll have to admit, I got lucky. Usually I'm the one that gets ticked out and then it runs back up like that. Today, not so much. It actually didn't get me and went all the way back up. That's crazy. What a crazy move. I should have held it, huh? Should have just held all my contracts. Click on videos about turning bad trades into winners. This is exactly why I don't show you those challenge account trades, because I would never take a trade like that for real. Ugh, that's crazy. That got hairy. What a crazy V reversal too. I'm actually really proud of myself too for taking off. Here, let me pull it back up. I'm actually really proud of myself for taking off this one here, because that was such a big move up. I assumed we were going to pull back and then I was going to have room to actually add that one back lower. Thankfully, I guess it didn't actually pull back and we got the continued move up. So still proud that in the moment I was like, you know what, I'm going to try to manage the trade a little bit, because if we do get a pullback, I have no chance of adding to make my position a little bit better. But in this case, if it would have just worked if I just held it. But hey, it worked out. So just gonna chalk that one up to the trading gods and say thank you. that was pretty crazy. Well, the channels at the open are a little bit different because you got to let them expand at first, because they're so tight that the ATR on that first candle, the band's got to catch up. So when the bands hit down here, it's a much better play versus when they hit right away, because pre-market the volatility is not there, and then you get that big spike of volatility. The bands aren't exactly where they should be on that 930 candle. I've been scalping gold 5 seconds max trades. I'm up 540 on 7 trades selling 20. Jeez, let's go. Hey man, that's how scalpers work. What? Oh, you weren't talking to me. That was crazy. He said yes. Oh man. Yeah, we're pulling back. And back up. Glad I'm not trading with Project X. Apparently they're having a bunch of problems. That was crazy. Project X is such a scam. Why? I've never used it, so I don't know. Imagine if your first trade was short, how much you would have made on the way down. Well, with 3 contracts from where my average was, almost 4,500. I know for a fact. uh, all right, let's see what happens here on the move back up. Highs are up at 338. Mhm, mhm. Sometimes scalping just means taking a quick win. Yeah, I mean, that's essentially what I'm doing. Ugh, that was crazy. That was crazy. I'm still kind of like coming off the high of the fact that I didn't get stopped out. I'm like still checking my email, like waiting for the email to come through. man. Oh wait, I want to be on the other account. I've not taken any more trades on the challenge account, even though I want to. But still gotta wait for a decent setup. Up towards 300, I was looking to get in, but didn't quite get there. Seems like the 400 PNL always overshoots to the upside in favor of me. Yeah, I saw that. The MAs look like spaghetti. Yeah, it was pretty crazy open. Should I treat it the same or treat it as is if I see the opportunity pass at day one? Pass what? Aren't you already in the pro account? What are you talking about passing? I mean, you can also look at your account stats to see if you have been a DD instead of waiting for an email. But I didn't intend to say you have blown your account. I mean, usually it sends you, I remember it would send you an email like right away, but yeah, I guess I could go check. It let me get out of the trade though. Prior, when I believe it doesn't like automatically exit you from the trade when you blow up, and it wouldn't let you get out of the trade either though. So I'm pretty sure I'm okay. But I'll log in just to see. Looks like it doesn't do it live, so I'd have to wait until after. But I don't see anything about it saying that we busted. Market's cooling down after an aggressive. That was pretty crazy open. Gonna try to butter the support team. You think it'll work? What do you need to do? Those are eval? Oh, take profit. I just saw the pro and just assumed that was the pro account. Wait, did you blow your pro account? Or was that not a pro account? I've never traded gold before. I feel like it doesn't move enough. Crazy, it went straight up at the open based off of that move. It's still hanging out up there though. $30 DTE puts at 242 on the Russell. Let's bring home some dinner. MNQ going up? MNQ's not going up, no way. Why do I have 2 NQ 1 minutes? Get rid of them. MNQ. MNQ is doing the same as the NQ. Pro got blown. Dude. Oh, that's right. You told me because you took the whole amount out. Well, that's not that bad, though. At least you got that amount out. Oh, yeah, she's wet. Let's do marbles, I guess, since we're kind of just chilling. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 10 minutes. Oh. Oh, maybe I locked him outside. So Willow's been digging holes and dirty. And we take her upstairs, wash her off, but then it closes. Take her out. But I didn't. I know. I was planning on doing that today. trading stuff. They kept waking me up. It's frustrating because it's like I like sleeping with them, but I don't sleep. Crazy. This moves so much. Me too. Yeah. Where are we? Maybe it's mommy and daddy. Yo, Muhammad, I'll purposefully take you out of the giveaway. You keep spamming like that. Yeah, I'll kick your ass right out of here. Give you the boot. Like we're rolling over, trying to go back to them lows.
Trouble though, pal. I eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast.
You eat pieces of shit for breakfast?
Yes.
No.
How low can you go? How low can you go? Love from Pakistan giveaway. Yo, I get it, but you can't just spam giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. You got 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Get them in! Exclamation point marbles. I'll start adding the members that weren't in the first one. Like a GDT. Don, you're good. Wawa Waffles. Carlo. Josh. Oh, yeah, you were the first one. Jason wasn't in the... Jason. Jason. Johnny. What's up, Johnny? Johnny number 1. Gonzalez. What's going on? Donald, you're already in there, yeah.
Pussy!
How dare you say something so frisky? Push him back down here, possibly. All right. Yo, Muhammad, come on, man. I'm not going to say it again. Stop spamming. All right. Look, if you do it one more time, I'm going to have to mute you. Never mind, GDT took it into his own hands. GDT said, peace. Got him. I was going to give him one more shot. GDT's not so nice. Emmy, I believe you're in there, aren't you? No, you're not. Snap, getting a little pushed down here. Oh, I tried to get in on the challenge account. I hit the bid, did not get filled. Of course, it popped right back up. Damn, my order was at 191. Ugh. Ugh. That would have been such an easy, quick 300 bucks. It literally went right back up to 210. I literally hit the bid and didn't get filled. That's... Ugh, look at it go. That's brutal. Of course, right? Don't get filled and it... I mean, I can't complain, right? This account should be blown anyway. Can't complain. There's no complaining today. No complaining today. I was hoping it would give up. I could have got another trade, but fortunately it did not. All right, let's run some marbles now that I didn't get... Holy crazy alt accounts. 27 of you in the chat, 57 entries. Yeesh. Try being an Orioles fan. There is no crying in baseball. Yeah, there's definitely crying in baseball. 83 entries. Let's go. Popo trade, you're a smidge late, my man. I'm already in. Let's get it. Oh, I forgot to take Muhammad out. It's okay. Could you imagine he wins? Could you imagine he somehow wins? If Muhammad wins, I will double it and give it to the next guy. just because you didn't listen. You guys can stop typing marbles for now. We're already racing. Tony's going for it. Ooh, that hit the very edge. Edna said me first. Oh. Oh, the laser. Oh, we got a couple chances here. No, Anjinka, I think you had the right speed. Dang it. I remember those first few races, we couldn't even get somebody down here, and now everyone's coming down here, but those lasers are eating. Those lasers are eating. Just enough slowdown, but you're still going to go. Oh, I thought you were going to go edge. Still think you're going to end up being too fast. Oh, come on, man. This is brutal, man. Somebody just got absolutely blasted. It was Carlo. If that was to one of the sides, I think it would have worked because it was so slow. The support is looking at it. I might go pro today. Hopefully they are kind. Well, that would be nice of them. Her tears are now my tears. Oh, keep getting popped up in the air like that. Every time it gets popped up in the air like that, it goes off the side though. Balls to the face, I can feel it. Oh, that was so close. Somebody already hit the other barrel. I didn't see that. No way. Oh, there goes that barrel. Oh, could you imagine? Waffles, both of your marbles are still alive. Nope, not anymore. All right, let's do one more. I'm Dr. Sub, Hyperclap. I'm Doc Rocket Sub. I'm Doc W Sub. I'm Dr. Sub. Kick. What are you doing over there, Doc? Our dashboard needs to update. Go Waffle, go Russell. Oh, damn. We're heading back to the lows on the chart.
That don't make no sense.
Took a quick scalp on the challenge account. Up 320 now. Looking for it to go lower, though. Just looking for a quick little attempt to double bottom and retest 200, which pretty much did exactly like I had hoped. But now I want to see it go down and test the lows. That don't make no sense. I don't even think that guy was in the giveaway. I don't think he understood how to even enter the race. Maybe? Nope. It's got to slow down big time, Jason. Oh, go away, lasers. Oh, yes! No! Come on! Going to the lows. Took another scalp there. I don't even know how many points that was. 177 to 184. So not bad, like 150. Looking for the break through the lows here. Nice break. I'm in on the challenge account, not the main account. I want more on the main account. Looking for 166 take profit here. Damn, that went right to 150. That's crazy. I'm in at 54.25. Looking for, I just put an order out at 66.25. Just looking for the retest there. Doesn't quite want to try. I mean, it tried a couple times, but didn't. Might want to try to get under 150 first. There it is. See if we can't come up and grab that retest. Lowered to 64.50 is what I'm looking for now. So it'd be 10 points. Struggling. Get back up here. Nice push away from 150. I'll be looking to get in up here. Damn. Was hoping for a little bit more to get in on this account up here. That was such a big pop through. I thought for sure we were going to get an immediate retest. I mean, it did try. It just didn't quite go as high as I wanted to. I was up like $100, but I was looking for like 250 there. That was a nice little dump. I thought we'd retrace pretty quick, but nope. Trying to go lower. Now I'm kind of feeling like I want to just try to get out of it. It's kind of giving me those vibes again.
Order filled.
I added just looking to get out of the challenge account one. I just needed to get to the top of this candle. Took a trade on the funded account here, just looking for previous candle. Seeing a little bit of a pop back up here. Uh-oh. Come on. At least get me out of this one. There we go.
Order filled.
I need like 42 to get out of the challenge account. Come on. Come on. Not even trying to be greedy. Not liking the trade. There we go. All out of that one. All out of both. So now we're up to 533 on this one. This is the one that I started making a little bit more. I can make up to like 750, I think. That's my highest day there. Man, we basically top ticked that. 42.25. My 41.25 was my exit. So 4 ticks in the green there to get out. I'll look to get back in. I just didn't like where my average was. You can short to 25, 115 safely. Are you banking on all these, by the way, Anjinka? Or who was the other one that said it was going to dump at the open? I want you guys to start showing me your charts. I'm not saying that I don't believe you. I want to start seeing you guys bank on these. You're making such good calls. Looking for a big push through 100 here, and I will get back in. $93 is not the push I was looking for. And Jinka, it wasn't you. It was somebody else at the open. I can't get in here. I don't even want to take a trade at this level on the challenge account. It just makes no sense to get in right at the whole number here. It does seem like it's trying to hold support though. I just want to see it get away from it. I was ready at like 80, maybe even like into the 70s, but it's just I don't like how it's just grinding its way down here. Dang waffles. Trader's Nest. That's who it was. Thank you, sir. Potatoes. 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 Po. Yeah, a lot of them have the consistency rules you got to worry about. Are we in a bit of no man's land here? Nah. What is the top of this candle? 25 flat? I mean, we could be headed back down towards like 25K. We're at a pretty good previous resistance area on the hourly chart though, right here at 25.1. So maybe that's what's holding it up. Nice bounce there. Excuse me. How strict is Tradeify on the 20% consistency? If one day is 20.99%, am I good? No, so what they'll do is you'll have to add another day to make up for it. You'll see it on the dashboard. It tells you if you're at the 20% or not, and it has to be under 20% for you to make a withdrawal. There's no wiggle room. Like, you can't even request the payout unless you meet that rule. Yeah, I mean, if you can Wawa, it depends on which prop you're with. Some props allow one day passing, some don't. Yeah, you're not wrong. Kind of getting into scary territory a little bit here. Zishan. Yep, yeah, with premium you can have it still play even though your phone's off. It's kind of funny. Sega Genesis. I got a feeling we might be headed lower here. I don't think we're going to get the bounce back up to where we were, like originally thought. When I got into the trade, I was expecting a retouch of here, and we might get this retouch eventually, but I think it's going to try lower first, like a decent amount lower, like maybe down to 25K. Obviously, I don't know what the market's going to do. I'm just assuming. But while we wait, exclamation point marbles. We're going to do a giveaway. I decided I'm just going to, since this is an intraday and not an end of day, I'll do everybody has a chance. It's a 150K trade day intraday account. We're going to do a giveaway. You win a trade day 150K intraday accounts. Let's get it. It's an expensive account. It's like a $200 account. 200. Ain't a cheap one. Get your entries in. Exclamation point marbles. Do we quadruple or triple bottom here, or do we go through? It's like a triple bottom at the moment. Man, that's 15 minutes. The range is actually getting kind of big. Range is getting kind of big. What's that little bit? That's 15 points. These candles are, what is this, 93? Jeez. 37-point candle. Some big old candles. Yeah, that bounce triple bottom. 1, 2, 3. Might actually go up and retouch. Oh. We're not trading the last 2 days. I'm pretty happy with today so far, minus the challenge account shenanigans. Hopefully, some of the people that are in the funded stage may have over traded the open there with more size than I did and maybe got blown out. That would be fun. All right, here we go. Trying again for the 4th time. Through at least. You're done for the day, Trader's Nest? Good job. Did you go short? Hope you went short at the open and just held it. Nice. Good job then. Is this the move down? Can't talk. Looking for the move down through 50 here, obviously. Come on. These are some big candles. The range is getting pretty nice here. Struggling to get through there. $25.50. That's where we're at. Struggling to get through. Well, dang. Didn't quite get the push down through 50 like we were hoping. Well, dang, now I feel like we're not going to get a trade at all. Sucks. Mimo highlights, welcome to the channel. No, probably not now. I was hoping we broke down lower, but now it's looking like we're just gonna chill. Did the giveaway thing end? I didn't take any trades there, Anjinka. I was hoping to, but I didn't. All right, let's do the giveaway. Sure, there's no extra members. All right, you're all good. Donald, let's go. That's what I like to hear. Solid advice now after. I'm working cooking on something special. Ooh. I cannot stop with these like burps today. $106 marbles. Jesus. All right, we're going to do a Royale today. All right, this is for a 150K. Oh, this is for a 150K trade day intraday account. It's like a $200 account. Let's get it. All you gotta do is be the last one alive. Gold whooped me worse than Debo did to Jesus. Currently converting the math manually from the NAS 100 into NQ future market price. Interesting. And Jinka has positive vibes in the chat. He does. That he does. Oh, we got the weird name in there again. 2.0. Novatech. Oh, he's flying back on. That is so crazy how they do that. Code Vala's gone. Andy Cooper. You're never racing again. How dare you knock me out. Andy Cooper's gone forever. He gone. It's unacceptable. All right, start zooming in a little bit. Down to 40. Looking for that top 10 situation. Whoa, big spike up here in the market. We are coming up to retest that area. I was right, too. Didn't earlier I say we're going to try lower first, but we'll probably come up and retest that area? Look at me go. Look at me go. How could he just fly back? It's just random. I don't know how it does it. The marbles have a mind of their own. It's down to 20. Down to 20, down to 19. Raul just knocked himself out. There goes Trader Crest. There goes Donald number 2, JFH, down to 15. It's getting smaller. I see a GDT. I was about to say I see a Wawa, but he decided to end himself.
Top 10 situation.
Top 10 situation. GDT's in first place with 5 kills. Tony tied for first now. Down to 8. Members left. We got GDT and Don. Down to the last little 3. Who's it going to be? There goes Edna. There goes Johnson. Down to 6. 3 knowns versus 3 unknowns. There goes GDT unless he hops. Nope, there goes Tony. Don's the only one left. Oh, they're all trying to kill themselves. Who's going to win? Anime Safari, the last one alive before he was about to die. That's crazy. You called it, but did you put your money where your mouth was? No, because that's not my kind of trade. That was a good one, though. I like that. Anime Safari, are you here? You got 45 seconds to chime in, aka 1059. Anime Safari, you are the winner. But you got to chime in. You better find that alt account quick. Find that alt account quick, or we're running it back. Literally everybody killed themselves at the end there. He just happened to be the last one to fall. You got 10 seconds. Where's that alt account? Where's that alt account? Oh, just in time. Found that alt account. All right, Anime, I need you to go onto your YouTube page. I need you to go top right. I need you to click this. I need you to take a screenshot of all this, the avatar, the name, the @ name, all of it, and then send it to me on Discord. The Discord can be found here. I'll give you a link in the chat. And there you go. I will get you hooked up with your 150K trade day intraday account. It's a $200 account. You're welcome. Trying to see if we can get a trade to the upside here. We are retesting, as you can see, that previous support line. What did GDT say? I'm just going to start blocking everyone who wins until it defaults to me. That's funny. I am the warrior, he says. I think he meant winner, but that's the one reason for gold to be a risky move for me. Someone with big pockets might just flip it, whereas the NQ, BlackRock with their Aladdin. Yeah. Poker today? I'm just not feeling it this week, man. I'm just so tired. Honestly, I don't even remember what the website was. Did I save it in the poker channel? I didn't even save it in the poker channel. I probably should have. Can somebody link that poker site that we were playing on in the poker channel so I can pin it? I don't even remember what it was. But no, I think I have to do the dishes. I have to do a couple. Now I have to mop the floor because the dog brought mud all in. I'm thinking about taking a nap again. I did not sleep well, like at all. I'm so tired. I'd be wore out too after that ass whooping last week. Hey now. Hey now. Am I still running? No, but I've been doing I've been going to the gym and doing the elliptical like every other day. I'm down 13 pounds total. 12.5. I rounded up there. You're gonna try my numbers, do max 1 micro and take it as a for science trade. I mean, I'm good for now. I highly advise against it. Yeah, I might get a trade here in a second. Nice little push up through 200. Might be in. Nice big move off the bottom here. I don't think we retrace like all the way back up to market open highs, but for now. Yeah, I still need a pretty big push up through 200 to get involved. Oh man. My plan is to just keep making a steady amount to stay within striking distance on this challenge account, and then hopefully they all just blow their accounts. But if they don't, then I'll have to try to make a move at the end. Like if it's just me and Kelly at the end, well, I guess if I blow the account, then I still would blow the account. I would just have to make sure I don't blow the account. So I could take a big risk. But then if I get heavy in drawdown, I'd just have to close it out because I'd still technically be in second place if that were the case. I'm just kind of thinking ahead. How does the team Tradeify thing work? Can we join your team? Yeah, you have to join the team if you want to participate in the $5,000 giveaway thingamajigger. So if you join my team and you beat everybody on the team, you win 5,000 bucks. And then if you win that, you're most likely going to still be in the main competition as well. It is free to enter too, as if you already have a Tradeify account. Just go into your dashboard and click the Grand Cup, and you can sign up through there. Yeah, if you want to sign up and you're not a part of it, it's actually cheaper, I think, if you buy one of their advanced accounts. And then you can just get in for free, because I think it's less than the 35 or whatever. Or maybe it is 35, I'm not sure. Yeah, so it'll be like my team versus other people's teams and stuff. But the problem is my team's obviously not going to be in the running for the one that makes the most because there's going to be so many other teams that have thousands of people. I'm obviously not going to have thousands of people. So if you want a chance to be a part of that team, but the problem is if there's too many people, the amount of money is going to be broken down between those people. It's going to be like next to nothing. Yeah, Donald. So they changed it. Here, let me show you. So if you've already signed up and you didn't choose one, go to the Grand Cup dashboard and it has this now. So it says your team and you can select and click it here. And you can come down and just click and you're good to go. And hit join team after you do it. So easy peasy. Yeah, the losers aren't going to count, I would assume. But I look at it this way, right? Being on a smaller team, you have a bigger chance of winning that $5,000 up front. And are you really going to win the big amount anyway? I mean, you're going to have to YOLO like every day in order to win the big prize. And these people are, I mean, you saw the PW one. I mean, people had like $75,000 in a week. Like that's going to happen. So if you want a chance at winning the $5,000 at least with my team, you're going to have a much better chance versus a team that has thousands of people. Sweet, Donald. Thank you. Jason, yeah, basically. I wish they did. I don't know if they are. I don't think they are, but if they counted the losses, that would be huge, right? Because then the big teams, that would count against them for all the people that are just going to YOLO. I don't think you have to start with small contracts. Not to my knowledge. Yeah, and Jinka, that dude literally he just posted a video on how to exploit prop firms. I'm actually surprised any prop firm would work with him. Like he's literally making videos about how to beat prop firms, but you ever put him into a real account? Like he would never do well, because you're right. He's either blowing the account. He basically sacrifices accounts to get payouts on other accounts, which that would never work in the real world. And it's literally just exploiting the prop model. Like I'm very surprised that most companies would work with him. All right, looks like we're just going to shake around the middle here. I'm probably just going to get out of here. Oh, hold on one sec. Would you look at that? It's Mr. Popstar on an alt account. Mr. Anime is Mr. Popstar. Just calling you out, bro. We all know you people do it. You damn giveaway stalker, giveaway masters, giveaway. What do they call those people that are like permanent giveaway winners? Forget who it is. You bad good boy. Hey, don't attack Prayer before and after trading. I personally like his mindset in trading, but not the way he trades. What? I'm not attacking Prayer. What are you talking about? 7 with the mindset they're cheap. Yeah. The Akinator, dude, my kids love you. That app, the Akinator, love that. Off with his head. He won. That's exactly the reason I trade the NQ, by the way, to answer you, Akinator. The reason I do the members only giveaways for the bigger accounts is this exact reason. Like, he just won an account earlier in October, October 2nd. He won the Take Profit Trader account that I gave away, and now he just won the 150K trade day account. Why are you crying, Akinator? Well, I'm pretty positive that his community is bought. You ever go watch like his new uploads? There's like comments on them immediately, as well as likes and stuff like that. So, yeah. All right. Hold on, let me end this. Guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta talk to the wife about something, and it's looking like, I mean, church trying to make a move back down, but I don't think we're gonna get anything out of it. So have a good rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Be good the rest of the day. Wait, what'd you say? By the way, the 50K as a non-member, I will most likely not use it due to disliking sprinting logins. How long will it last? I don't know. How do you even enter what? Always possible to change for a TPT. Otherwise, you can give that code away. Wait, Anjinka, is that you? Are you? No, that's not you. What are you talking about? Tell my girlfriend I said hi. You're a dick. I'm confused what you're talking about, Anjinka. Yeah, yes, what? Wait, you're VJ in Discord? Oh, you're talking about the one from last week. Gotcha. Okay, I forgot that I gave that to you. That was from last week. That's why. All right, I'll talk to you about it in Discord. I mean, if you don't want it, then yeah, I'll just give it away. I'll talk to Anjinka. If he doesn't want it, then I'll give that away tomorrow. But for now, I'm going to get out of here, and I will talk to you tomorrow, same time, same place. Peace!